How to hide Instagram following and follower list. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how you can hide your Instagram following and followers. So let's get started. First, what you can do is that you have to go to your profile and you can see that I have followers and then I have following and I want to hide this information. So for that, what you have to do is go to these three lines right here at the top corner, click on settings, and now we're going to click on privacy. So the first way to do this is going to be making your account private. So you can see this option right here, the first one, and my account is private right now. That means the only people who follow me will be able to see my following and the others. So that's how you can do it. That's the easiest way. You just enable this option and you will be able to hide your followers and following. So this is the first way you can do this. Now the second way we can do this, we will not be able to show our following or follower, is that we can select a user. Let's say there is a specific user you want to hide this information from. So you will just select the user and then you can actually restrict their account. That's what you can do. So you can just click on these three lines and click on restrict. And now they won't be able to see who I follow or who is following me. So this is another way we can do this because there's no such option available on Instagram right now, like a button that allows you to do that quickly. So we just do this through these ways. The first one is making your account private and the second one is actually restricting different followers in order to hide your followers and followings. So yeah guys, I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.